guys, welcome back here to the Sam Show on Auntie Tay's YouTube channel. Today's project is a really simple one. We're just going to make some pattern vinyl tabs for our bujo, but it really makes a big difference when you're trying to get organized with planning and you're looking for something specific. So let's get planning. Hey everyone, it's Sam from the Auntie Tay team and you're watching The Sam Show. Let's go make some fun things. On AuntieTayMembers.com, when you're logged in, if you go to Styles and then Planners, if you scroll down, you will find the Planners tab and you just click on the picture and it will download. Once you have it downloaded, you can then upload it to Cricut and there's a bunch of different options. This is the style that I picked and I'm doing 12 of them because I want one for each month. And I had picked out 4 different pattern vinyls, so there will be 3 of a kind of every one. So I just changed them real quick. If you want to keep them all the same and do little corners and cut them all out at the same time on your mat, you know, I just went for the long route because a lot of my sheets were whole sheets and I didn't want to mess with it. But when it comes to Auntie Tay's pattern vinyl, you just cut it on your regular vinyl setting and cut it out on your Cricut, and it's really easy. So once you have them cut out in your Cricut, you just trim them out and you weed them. And then I think this is really helpful. Using the Auntie Tay Bujo, it is undated. So I went through and every start of the month, I wrote down which month it was. So I just went through, I start in January, that's when I start my bujo, and flipped through the month and wrote in pencil, just in case you mess up, of each month. So I knew where I needed to put each of the tabs. So starting at the top, I pick my first color and all I do is fold it over itself. Now using pattern vinyl, the tabs are kind of flimsy, but I don't know. I really like it. I think they are perfect and I made them only 1.5 inches wide because I really didn't want them sticking out that far. And as you can see, every month I just go down a little bit farther and I use the previous month to kind of line up where the next one is going to go. And I go through all the colors, making sure I'm going in order that I wanted them to. Now, I only did the 12 months, but I might go back in and where I have my list of bills or my goals or certain big things at the beginning of my bujo, I might go back in and add more tabs to that. But I just really wanted the main 12, mostly because I write down things on the back of the month that goes with an entire quarter that I'm working with for ideas and, you know, different themes. So that's why I went with the 12 and it was really that simple. I think you could do a lot of fun things with pattern vinyl. I stuck with more, you know, plain colors, black, whites, pinks, and like muted yellows because that's just going with my theme this year with my bujo with the Aztec look. And you can see they don't take up a lot of space on the pages either, and I really like that as well. I hope you guys like this tutorial. It's a really basic one, but I hope it keeps you organized and inspires you to add some tabs in your life. See you next time, guys. Thank you so much for watching.